In this video for Positive Maths, we're looking at the Junior Cert Higher Level 2014 sample paper. This is question 16 from paper 2. So the Leaning Tower of Pisa is 55.863 meters tall and leans 3.9 meters from the perpendicular as shown below. The tower of the Sirhusen Church in northwestern Germany is 27.37 meters tall and leans 2.47 meters from the perpendicular. By providing diagrams and suitable calculations and explanations, decide which tower should enter the Guinness Book of Records as the most tilted tower in the world. So before we get started, I'm going to go back and underline the key pieces of information. So we have the Leaning Tower of Pisa, 55.863 meters tall, 3.9 meters from the perpendicular. The church, 27.37 meters tall and leads 2.47 meters from the perpendicular. So we need to provide diagrams, calculations and explanations in our answer. So let's consider, we have to decide which tower should enter the Guinness Book of Records. So in order to do this, we're going to calculate the angle that they lean. So really, whichever one has the smaller angle is going to be most tilted. So the first part of our answer is going to be the diagrams. So we'll do the Leaning Tower of Pisa first. So we're going to draw a right-angled triangle. We're told that it's 55.863 meters tall. And it leans 3.9 meters from the perpendicular. We want to calculate this angle A. Then for the church, we're told that the church is 27.37 meters tall and it leans 2.47 meters from the perpendicular. We're going to calculate the angle B. So if A is smaller than B, then the tower is more tilted than the church. So let's calculate the angle. The first thing I'm going to do is label the sides that I have. So I have the adjacent side and I have the hypotenuse. Therefore, I'm going to use cosine to find A. So the cosine of A is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the cosine of A is equal to 0.0698. Therefore, A is equal to the cosine inverse of 0.0698. So A is equal to 85.9967 degrees. Now let's calculate angle B. So again, I label my sides. I have my adjacent. I have the hypotenuse. So again, we're going to be using cosine to find B. So cosine of B, 2.47 over 27.37. This is going to give us 0.0902. So B is equal to the cosine inverse of 0.0902. So therefore B is equal to 84.8223 degrees. So if we compare the two angles, A is greater than B. We're looking for the smaller angle. So therefore, we're going to say that the church is the most tilted tower. So when we finish the question, we should always go back and double check that we've answered it correctly. So we have to give it diagrams, which we did, calculations, which we've done, and again the explanation. For more information, visit PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.